So welcome to my channel Computer Science Project. So we help in final project, computer science project, research paper, documentation. So today the project which I am going to tell you, which is the AI cheating detection system, AI real-time monitoring detection system, AI finding students who are cheating, or AI helping interviewers, companies to find the right candidate through AI cheating detection system. So let me tell you how this project works, what is this project and everything. So before this, let me take you to the code and show you the complete demo of the project. So you can go to this, which is a Visual Studio Code, okay, and you have to click on file, open folder, okay, and you have to open this project folder. When you will open, in this we have a two, which is one is you can see HTML CSS. We have made HTML CSS JS for the front end, and then there is a app.py, which is for the back end. In this we have used a different algorithm. We have used a tracking algorithm. We have used the Yolov8. You've used the OpenCV, and we have written the code in the Python, and we have used a Flask framework too. Now let me give the command, which is python3 app.py. So if you get any confusion in understanding, you can reach out to us, WhatsApp us, call us, mail us. We're gonna help you how to understand this. So you can click on this, open. So when you will do, so the dashboard will look like this. So this is the dashboard. Let me show you. So this is the dashboard. So dashboard will look like this, class monitor. In this, when the webcam will start, when camera will start, it will start detecting. So as of now in this room I am alone, but I will tell you how it works, sorry. So in this, when I will come here, it will start detecting my face and everything, start detecting my environment too. Let me start, and whenever it will start giving the result as a log, as a output in the right hand side of here. So let me start, click on start monitoring. Yeah, so see my face and current face with coming as a you can say this in a square box, and whenever I will like use my hand, do something, it will start that collaboration of student 1 or 2, means some other student hand it can be. Now if I will take my phone, so this is the phone number 1, okay. So when I will show this, and when I will show this, if I will show the phone, see phone usage detected, got it. Such a beautiful, such a nice project. So same as that, this project can be helpful in interviewing for exam, for online exams, for interviewing of viva, for anything from home, or anything even from a classroom. If there is no teacher, so webcam will be start there and it will start detecting. So if you also need this project, if you also need this system, you can contact me, you can contact us in through our contact channel, mail, WhatsApp, phone, which is given in the YouTube channel description, or you can go to our website, which is a finalproject.in, and you will find out us on YouTube, on Insta, on WhatsApp, and reach out to us, and we're gonna send this project to you with the documentation. Thank you guys, thank you so much, and I love you all.